Hi friends, welcome back. Today we have a powerful Kemetic class. We'll start off in sash pose. Any variation that you prefer. Place one hand over the belly, the other hand over the heart. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep inhale through the belly. Open mouth exhale. Another inhale through the belly. Fill up like a balloon. Slowly exhale. One more time. Inhale. Take in all that oxygen. Hold it. Exhale, release the carbon dioxide. Gently open your eyes. Start to roll the neck around in a circular motion to the right. And then to the left. Hands up overhead. Inhale. Exhale, spinal twist to the right. Inhale again. Exhale, twist to the left. Come into all fours and tabletop. Inhale, dip the belly, arch the back. Exhale, round the spine. Continue to move through your gab and newt at your own pace. Feel free to take any additional movements that you feel that you're needing right now. Maybe hip circles, maybe thread the needle. Have lots of options. Find one that you're needing. Inhale again. Dip the belly. Exhale, round the spine. Coming into our pyramid. Right leg comes up. Inhale. Exhale, gently step back foot in between both hands. Hands up overhead. Inhale. Exhale, kneeling, tuck in, hands to heart center. Release the hands down. Step that right leg back. Slowly lower all the way down. Wide jet. Back to our pyramid. Left leg comes up. Inhale. Step that left foot in between both hands. Try to step quietly and in control. Hands up overhead. Inhale. Exhale. Sink a little deeper into your kneeling tuck-in. Hands to the heart. Release the hands, step back. Lower, right jet. And back to our pyramid. And walk the hands back. Coming into a fold. And slowly start to come all the way up. Taking your time to get there. Moving one vertebrae at a time. Hands come up, inhale. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Come back to center. Side body stretch to the left. Back to center, inhale. Exhale, connect the thumb and the index finger together, coming into a baby back bend. Hands to the heart. Left leg comes up, inhale. Extend the leg out, lower. Coming down on your right knee, connect the left elbow inside the left thigh, making our way into Ma'at. Extend the right hand out, inhale, exhale, right hand over left. Come back to center. Left leg comes up, coming back into our standing neutral position. We'll repeat that on the other side. Right leg comes up, inhale, exhale, extend, lower, slowly make your way on down. Extend the left hand out, back to center. We'll do that one more time. If you have a different way to enter into Ma'at, you have the option to take that now. Inhale, left leg comes up, extend, lower. Maybe you bring the palms down on the mat and you hop into a handstand. Find your balance. Slowly lower all the way down, landing with the left foot. Right knee comes down. Palms together, spinal twist to the right. Extend the right hand out. 90-degree angle. Inhale. Exhale, come back to center. See if you can come all the way back up without using your hands. Working those legs. We'll repeat that on the right side. Knee up, extend, lower. You can continue to do it at the first way that we did it, or if you want to take your handstand, you have the option to do that as well. Palms on your mat, a small handstand kick, or maybe a handstand press. Lower. Ma'at on the left side. Come back to center. Use your legs, your ankles, your toes to help you come back into our standing position. Nice job on that. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, sink into your throne. Pretend as if you have a throne back there. You're a king or a queen, and you're sitting on your throne with your head held high. Engage that core. See if you can go down a little bit more. The throne of Aset reminds us that we're all queens, kings and queens. Slowly start to lower all the way down, coming into a yogi squat. Palms together, elbows are pushing the knees away. Draw the hips forward, allowing your body to relax in your yogi squat. Lower all the way down into your belly, coming into mummy pose. Bring the knees in close to your chest. Wrap your hands around the knees. Hug yourself tight. Wiggle the toes around the ankles. Take the knees, drop them to the left side of your mat. Extend the right hand out. Back to center. Knees to the opposite side. Back to center. Extend the legs out, toes pointing towards you. And lower the leg. And lift the leg back up. Lower. And then lift. When you do this, you want to make sure that your low back is glued to your mat. This only works effectively if your low back is glued to the mat. So as soon as you start to notice your low back coming off the mat, then that's your stopping point. So if your heels can't touch your mat, that's okay. That means you're doing it the right way. Let's do 3 more. 2 and 1. Hug yourself tight. Take a deep inhale through the belly. And exhale. Another inhale through the belly. Open mouth, exhale. You let go of your legs. Come into a comfortable position. Maybe you're on your back, maybe you're on your tummy. Find a resting position that feels good to you so we can come into our sahu. That's our complete relaxation pose. Palms facing up towards the ceiling. Or maybe you have your palms over the belly, creating a pyramid with your index fingers and your thumbs. Feel free to be here in Sahu as long as you like. Thank you so much for practicing with me, for completing our Kemetic yoga series for Black History Month. I'll see you in our next class. Ashe.